Welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another video. Today my topic is LG brand 17 washer and 9 kg dryer. This machine having actually before having some issue I already repaired, but today I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to show you how to test this machine. That's mean uh, we are telling Q test, otherwise test mode, quick test, everything we are telling so many different name, but the work is same. Now I'm going to show you because my customers, some customers, my friends, they are asking how to how show me please how to test this machine. Within 5 minutes we can check whatever all the mechanical devices and electronic devices, everything with this machine we can check within 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to do that now, because we have to step by step we have to check if any error message or something. We have to take long time, we have to waste our time, because we don't know how to test this machine. Because of that only especially I'm going to show you how to test this machine within 5 minutes, all the accessories and mechanical devices, parts, spare parts, everything. Now I'm going to show you how to test this machine. We will go to the next step. Lock, we have to lock the door properly like that. Also we have to plug machine to the power point. Also we have to give the water connection. Now I'm going to show you how to test this machine, test mode. This one you can see here dry options, here having spin, temperature, rings and wash, here start post button, also here stream cycle, and also here time delay. Now this is the power button. Now I'm going to show you how to do the test mode. This in this machine, different machine, actually LG brand, different machine. The difference, it's not the same procedure how to test the machine. Now in this machine, this one we have to, the rings button and temperature button, we have to press together. It's like this, we have to press together, and at the same time we have to press the power button. Now I will show you. It is like that. Again I will shut down the machine, power off the machine, and again I will show you. This is the rings button, this is the temperature button. Together we have to press like that. You can see all the LEDs are blinking here, all the LEDs are blinking. Now already here, see, you can see here already indicator, it's door lock. Now we can test the machine. First test, we have to first press, we can check the motor, and second press, we can check motor RPM, speed. Now I will show you. First we can see it is clockwise machine rotating. See the rotation rotator, it's drum rotating the clockwise. Now I will press another one. You can see here RPM, it is coming up to 50 only, but the second test, second press, it will come up to 1200 in this machine speed RPM. Now you can see here drain motor start, at the same time anti-clockwise. You can see the rotation, it is anti-clockwise rotating. Its RPM increase, we can increase the RPM until 1002. Now I'm going to press third one. Now it will increase. You can hear the noise, you can see the display. It will show 1200, that's mean 120 it will show. Now it came up to 1015. Now actually it is showing now 1005 it is, but here maximum RPM 1002. Now if I am pressing other again another fourth time, it will show water will come here pre-wash cycle. You can see here, this is the pre-wash. It should come the pre-value. When you select the pre-wash cycle, it should come to the right hand drawer water. Now I will press here. Now machine will get stopped, motor at the same time getting stopped, at the same time water will come here. Now you can see here water coming to the drawer. This is the pre-wash cycle. Now I'm going to press again. Now you can see here water will come here. That's mean main water valve testing. This is pre-wash testing here. Fifth one, it will come main water valve. Now you can see here. It will fill until frequency level. That means pressure sensor. Now if I'm pressing the other again, the sixth time, now I'm going to press. You can see. Now you can see here the frequencies will show 241. Now again I will press. Now what cycle it will come RPM clockwise rotating like a 50 here it will come. Now in this machine actually it's showing now the drain pump. It is pressing to while washing time. It is already start the drain pump. Again I will press another one. Now you can see here it's coming 50 until 50 pre. This is anti-clockwise. Now again I will press. Now you can see here. It is we can check here in this mode, heater and NTC. Now I will open the top cover here. Now again I will press. Now heater and NTC we can check the frequency and all. Now again I will press drain pump, it will start. You can see here water already draining out. This is 10th time pressing start pause button. Now especially in this machine having dry option, because of that now again I will press. After that here we can see now we can check here heater, NTC and thermostat, everything in this time, and again I will press. Now you can we can check here heater, also blower, it will work. Now you can hear the noise. Blower already start. Now heater, everything if perfect, thermostat, everything, we can feel the heat here. Now it's already start. Here it's increasing heat. That's mean everything perfect. No any error message with this machine. You can see here 4 valves are here. One is pre-wash, and this one stream cycle also. This one stream cycle, and this one go to the dry duct. This is condensation system, and because of that here 4 valves are here. Everybody know 2 valves, pre-wash and main valve, and these 2 already here steamer and dry condensation dry system valve. Now again I will press, machine will get stopped. You can see now already machine already got stopped. Door also lock open. Now this is the quick test mode. If any problem, actually within few minutes, within only 5 minutes, 6 minutes, we can check all the function with this machine. And this one actually, especially I make this video for so many my friends are requested from my side. Because of that I make this video. Now again I will show you. Again I will show you how to test mode. This one rings and temperature together, and press and start the machine like that. You can, whatever your problem already, you can resolve the problem, because you have to, otherwise you have to check everything manually, step one by one. Because of that, this is the easy way, and we will meet with another video. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.